The latest Tesla FSD beta has been driving people crazy, and the software had to be called off. Want to know more? Watch till the end. Hey people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at the latest FSD beta 10.3 of Tesla and what went wrong with it. Tesla's self-driving plan has been attacked as risky and outdated, with other companies abandoning it years ago. Most experts feel Tesla's strategy of avoiding high-definition maps and LiDAR in order to accomplish autonomous vehicles is unrealistic. The no-map technique requires forgetting what was learned earlier and doing it all over again, according to auto analyst Brad Templeton. Tesla was placed worst for both strategy and execution in the autonomous driving sector in a May 2021 analysis by Guidehouse Insights. According to several news sources from 2019, experts and proponents claim it offers depth and vision where camera and radar alone fell short, and practically everyone views it as a key feature for self-driving cars. Missy Cummings discovered 3 Tesla Model 3 cars in August 2021 in a study on a number of metrics related to driver monitoring, alerting, and safe operation of the underlying autonomy. There was significant between and within vehicle variation, implying that the performance of the underlying artificial intelligence and computer vision systems was extremely variable. Tesla was found to have misled consumers about the abilities of its automated driving systems by German regulators in July 2020. And the company was barred from using certain marketing language implying autonomous driving capabilities. Tesla characterized FSD as SAE Level 2 in September 2021, according to legal professors William Whitten and Philip Koopman, in order to avoid regulatory scrutiny and permitting processes required of more highly automated vehicles. They argue that FSD should be classified as an SAE Level 4 technology, and have urged state transportation departments in the United States to do so, citing public available videos that show beta test drivers operating their vehicles as if to validate SAE Level 4 features, often revealing dramatically risky situations created by the use of vehicles in this manner. Speaking at an NVIDIA conference in March 2015, Musk said, "Because autonomous cars are a specific type of AI, I don't believe we need to be concerned. It's not anything I consider to be very tough. It's a lot easier than most people realize to implement autonomous driving that is far safer than a person. It's almost like it's a solved problem to me." Musk anticipated full autonomy by 2018 and December 2015. Tesla predicted that full autonomy would be shown by the end of 2017, and Musk stated that in 2 years, drivers will be able to sleep in their vehicles while they drive themselves. Tesla pushed out the deadline for demonstrating complete autonomy to the end of 2019. Musk predicted in February 2019 that Tesla's FSD capability would be feature complete before the end of the year. "I believe we'll be feature complete, full self-driving this year. That is, the automobile will be able to locate you in a parking lot, pick you up, and drive you to your destination without the need for human interaction. This is the year. That is not a question mark." However, some people interpret this to suggest that it now operates with 100% certainty and requires no observation, which is not the case. Musk stated in January 2020 that the FSD software would be feature complete by the end of 2020, but that this doesn't mean that features are working effectively. Musk announced in August 2020 that Autopilot and FSD were being worked on by 200 software engineers, 100 hardware engineers, and 500 laborers. Tesla aims to sell a monthly subscription package for FSD in 2021, according to Musk, who indicated in early 2021 that Tesla would enable SAE Level 5 autonomy by the end of 2021. Musk's forward-looking statement is contradicted by an email correspondence between Tesla and the California Department of Motor Vehicles, obtained through a Freedom of Information Act request by PlainSight. Tesla updated its Autopilot driver assistance system v10.2 with the latest version of its full self-driving upgrade in October, which featured various tweaks and enhancements. Only drivers with a very high safety score, the company's own ranking system used in this case to distribute access to FSD, were eligible for the update. The most recent version, version 10.3, appeared to be on its way via over-the-air updates to top safety score owners until it hit a snag. The update was released late on Friday, but problems began to emerge by Saturday morning. There were issues with left turns at traffic lights, as Elon Musk tweeted this morning, but anecdotally, many other FSD version 10.3 customers were experiencing more major concerns, such as incorrect emergency braking activation. By lunchtime, Musk had announced on Twitter that the firm would revert to version 10.2 until a fix for the left turn issue could be completed. According to the version release notes we saw, FSD version 10.3 included a number of improvements, including the capacity to recognize brake or danger lights and the ability for the system to request additional acceleration while merging or changing lanes. However, it also gave owners the option of customizing specific aspects of FSD's behavior and saving it to their profiles. One of these settings appears to be the ability to perform a rolling stop. It's unclear what the use case for such a setting is, but a Tesla doing a rolling stop at a stop sign with full self-driving turned on would be quite dangerous. A new version, labeled version 10.3.1, was delivered to beta members by early Monday morning. What the new version actually fixes, or what the problem with version 10.3 was, remains a mystery. To figure out exactly what happened, we'll have to wait and see how version 10.3.1 performs on the road, as well as get our hands on the release notes. Until then, we recommend treating full self-driving with caution and vigilance. Remember that Tesla's autopilot with full self-driving is not a fully self-driving vehicle, regardless of how it's promoted. It's a driver assistance system that needs drivers to pay attention to the road and be ready to take control of the wheel in the event that the system is unable to continue its regular operation for a variety of reasons. Furthermore, it's a beta system, which means it's still under active development and that its releases aren't always bug-free, as evidenced by the botched version 10.3 release. The issue started on October 23rd, when the update was given to vehicles participating in Tesla's FSD beta program, which is not an autonomous driving system despite its name. This affected 11,704 vehicles across Tesla's portfolio, including Model S, X, 3, and Y. According to the notification filed with the NHTSA, all of the recalled vehicles were running software version 2021.36.5.2, also known as FSD Beta 10.3. The software was only delivered to vehicles enrolled in the full self-driving beta, according to Tesla's recall materials, which don't expressly identify it as FSD Beta 10.3. Even when maintaining a safe following distance behind other vehicles, some drivers experienced frequent phantom emergency braking. The update was described as awful, broken, jank, terrifying, and nearly undrivable on the internet. Full self-driving is an autopilot upgrade package that includes extra ADAS functions. The beta FSD software is being tested by a few thousand employees and customers as of May 2021. Tesla's approach to achieving SAE Level 5 is to train a neural network based on the behavior of hundreds of thousands of Tesla drivers, primarily using visible light cameras and data from other components in the car, such as the coarse-grained two-dimensional maps used for navigation, ultrasonic sensors used for parking, and so on. Tesla has chosen not to employ LiDAR, which Elon Musk has described as dumb, expensive, and unneeded. This distinguishes Tesla's approach from that of the other companies such as Waymo and Cruise, which train their neural networks based on the behavior of highly trained drivers and use highly detailed three-dimensional maps and LiDAR in their autonomous vehicles. Complete autonomy is essentially a software restriction, according to Elon Musk. The hardware exists to accomplish full autonomy, so it's really about developing smart, narrow AI for the car to function on. Increasingly sophisticated neural nets that can run on fairly sized processors in the automobile is the goal of the autopilot development. The automobile will learn over time, according to Musk, including from other cars. As of April 2020, Tesla's software has been trained based on 3 billion miles traveled by Tesla vehicles on public roads. As of January 2020, rivals had trained their algorithms on tens of billions of kilometers in computer simulations, in addition to tens of millions of miles on public roads. Tesla built a self-driving computer processor, which has been installed in its car since March 2019, as well as a neural network training supercomputer. Other vehicle automation businesses like Waymo also utilize bespoke chipsets and neural networks. Let us know in the comments below if you found this video interesting, and be sure to hit the like button. Stay tuned. See you again with another exciting video. Until then, goodbye.